This tutorial will guide you how to download Xender on your PC. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Xender helps you transfer files across various devices. Now to download Xender on your PC, just go to xender.com, exactly like this. Also on this page here, you'll see the download button for various devices. Now if you want to download for a Windows PC, here is Xender download for Windows, also Mac OS, APK for Android, Google Play Store, or the App Store for iPhone. So since you want to download for PC, you'll have to select here Xender download for Windows. So once you click on this link, it will start downloading. So wait for the download to finish. Now, once your download has completed, you'll have to open the file or open the folder for your downloads. Now here's the Xender that you've downloaded on your PC. So you'll have to double click on it to install the application. So they ask you here, please select whether you wish to make this software available to all users or just yourself. You can either choose to all users or yourself, but for now I'm just going to choose for anyone who uses this computer, so it's for all users, and then click next. Now click yes to allow the app. Now come here to you'll come to the installation, so choose the install location for Xender that you want to choose. So I'm just going to leave it at the default, so just click install. Now, once it has been installed, you can just select finish here and make sure Run Xender AI is checked. So click finish. Now, Xender app will be opened on your PC or laptop. You can either connect to phone, import to PC, send to phone, or social download. So that's how you can download and install Xender on your PC. It's very easy. If you want to send files maybe from your phone, you can just connect to your phone, or you can import to PC. So if you do have maybe another PC that want to import the files to PC, you can select here import to PC. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.